In this video, I will show you how you can send the WhatsApp messages on contact form submission automatically. So this is my WordPress website where the contact form 7 plugin is already installed, and here I have created several forms and I have embedded this form in one of my page, and I am going to submit this form in front of you, and you will notice how an automatic WhatsApp message will be received on my own WhatsApp number, something like this. Hello demo user, thank you for showing your interest in ABC company. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure. Okay, so in this way, the name of the form submitter, the document link, basically the brochure link, and every other detail will be attached automatically, and the message will be sent automatically to the form submitter. And in order to automate this process, we will have to build a connection in this contact form 7 application and in the application of sending the WhatsApp messages. And in this video, I am going to use Interakt application, which is an amazing application for sending the WhatsApp messages because it has the access of official API of WhatsApp. Okay, so how you can create an account and what else you will have to do, I will explain you everything about Interakt later in the video. Okay, so let us first connect this contact form 7 plugin with the Interakt application with the help of a software called as Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation software. I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in. You can also create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as send WhatsApp message on contact form submission automatically. Okay, now simply click on create, and then you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are actually called as trigger and action. Okay, and here the trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So whenever something happen in the first application, then automatically do this in the next application. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the application in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so now according to our use case, we want that whenever the form submission is made in this contact form 7 application, then automatically send the message to the form submitter via Interakt application. Okay, and I have already told you that we will send the WhatsApp messages using this Interakt application. Okay, and now the idea here is, firstly I am going to connect to contact form 7 and Pabbly Connect, and then I will connect to Pabbly Connect with the Interakt, and this is how I am going to automate this process. Okay, now firstly I will select the trigger event, that is new form submission. Okay, so yes, I want to perform the same, that whenever any new form submission is received in contact form, this automation should trigger, or we can say that data of contact form 7 submission should be captured via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so here you can notice a webhook URL is provided with a set of instructions. Okay, so kindly follow these instructions carefully. Okay, so firstly I will copy this webhook URL, and then I will have to paste this particular URL into my contact form 7 plugin form. Okay, so this is my form. I am going to edit this form, and here I will show you this webhook option, and I am going to paste this webhook URL here only. But now you must be thinking from where this webhook option has appeared. So you will have to again read the instruction that firstly you will have to install and activate this contact form 7 plugin from the plugin section in the WordPress dashboard. Okay, so let me first open this plugin. Okay, so you can download this plugin, and then you can upload the zip file of this particular plugin here into the installed section of WordPress. Okay, so this is my plugin section, and this is the installed plugin section of WordPress. Okay, and here I will search for the same plugin, that is CF72 webhook. Okay, so this plugin is already installed in my WordPress website. Let me show you, but you will have to firstly install this plugin, and then you will have to activate this plugin, then only this particular option will be visible here. Otherwise, if that plugin is not available in your WordPress website, okay, let me even show you. I'm going to deactivate this plugin for a second, and you will see how this particular option will disappear here. Okay, let me refresh it. and here you can see that the option has been disappeared. Okay, so now I will activate this plugin once again, and in this way you will also have to install and activate this plugin firstly as per the instruction. Okay, so I have done the same. Currently I'm closing this landing page. Okay, and now I will copy this webhook URL, and again as per the instruction I will paste this webhook URL here into my form. Okay, so let me refresh it once again, and here I will click on this webhook option, and now I will remove this existing webhook URL and will paste that URL which we have just got from Pabbly Connect, and make sure that you also tick mark this checkbox. Okay, kindly click on this save button, and this is how the webhook URL will be saved in contact form 7 plugin section. Okay, now you can notice that it is waiting for the webhook response. Okay, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Okay, so basically it is asking to do a test submission or record. Okay, and here the test submission means new form submission in contact form 7. Okay, so this is my form which is already open. In front of you I will submit this form with some dummy details, and you will see how the form details will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let me provide some random details. Dummy user I am adding as the name of the person. Alright, demo user 1234 at pabblytudes.com. I am adding this particular email address, and again these are the random details. Okay, this is also a dummy phone number asking for the message. Okay, so I want to get design my home. Okay, and here I will select what you would like us to design. So how about I go with, well, the home option is not available here, so I will change it to office, and let me select the same here. Well, you can customize your form as per your requirement and collect the details as per your choice. Okay, so let me select the same, clicking on submit, and as soon as the submission is successful, here you will notice the details will be received as a response. So here you can notice the response is already received. Okay, so let me show you the details. Here we have the first name of the person, here we have the same message, here we have the same dummy email address, the selection, and here we also have the dummy phone number. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between contact form 7 plugin and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. So now onwards what will happen, every time someone will submit your form in contact form 7, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so in this way the first step of our automation is done, and now moving further I am going to connect Interakt with the Pabbly Connect, just like we have connected contact form 7 plugin with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so firstly I will select the action event, that is send WhatsApp template message. Now simply click on connect, then click on add new connection, and then click on this hyperlink. Okay, and because I am already logged in my Interakt application, it will directly redirect me to that specific place from where I can access the secret key. Okay, so this is the key. Let me copy the same, coming back to Pabbly Connect dashboard, let me paste the same, clicking on save, and this is how the Interakt application will be also connected with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let me explain you about Interakt. It is an amazing application for sending the WhatsApp messages, and firstly you will have to create an account in Interakt, and after that whenever you are sending the messages using some official API of WhatsApp, you will always have to create the message templates first. Okay, then only you will be able to initiate the conversation with your customers and clients. Okay, with that particular template. Okay, so from this particular green button you can create your message template. Okay, I have already created my template, and let me tell you, in this case when you create a template you will also have to submit it for the approval, and the parent company of WhatsApp, that is Meta, is going to approve that template. If that template is approved, then only you will be able to send the messages using that template. Okay, so here in this status you can see we have 3 status. Okay, so the templates marked with the green color are actually the approved one, and the templates marked with the red color are actually the rejected one. Okay, so let me show you the same. Firstly, I'll have to remove this filter. Okay, so how about I click on this template section, clicking on this active section once again, and here you can notice the template marked with the red color are actually the rejected one, and the templates marked with the orange color are actually the pending one. Okay, so in this way, from this particular button you will have to firstly create a template by providing the name, by providing any random category, then you'll have to further select any random language, and then you will find the option of header and the body and the footer and the button. Okay, so let me show you. Footer and buttons are optional, so again it is up to you whether you would like to include these or not. Okay, in my template I have not included anything. I will show you everything, don't worry about that. And here in the header, if you want to attach any text, image, video or document along with the header, you can go with the same. In this particular example you can see I have selected document as the header. Okay, so this is how the header will look like, this is how the document attached will look like along with your message. Okay, again going back to my Interakt application, and from here, exactly from this body section, you can compose your message, and whatever you will write here, you will be able to see the preview from the right hand side, and the single message template will be used for sending the messages to all the form submitter. Now you must be thinking how it is possible. Okay, so basically whatever the details we want to keep on changing automatically, we will add those values in the form of variable, and you can add as many as variables as you want from this particular button. Okay, so let's say you want that the name of the form submitter should appear here automatically, so that is why I have added a variable in place of the name of the form submitter, name of the customer. Okay, so in this way you can compose your message, you can create your message template, and then once your template is ready, make sure that you also provide the samples. Okay, samples are nothing but just a dummy content which you will have to define, which you will have to provide. Okay, so basically we are telling the system that what values will come in place of these variables, and again this is just a sample content, just a dummy content. And once everything is done, simply click on the submit button for the approval, and it is going to review your template. Okay, so if your template is approved, you can easily send the messages to your customers or to the form submitter using that template. Okay, now I will show you which template I have created for sending the WhatsApp messages, and let me tell you, this template is already approved. Okay, so the name of my template is lead form reply, and here you can see the green color, which means my template is already approved. Okay, so I have selected document here, and this is my whole message, that is hello, I want that the name of the customer should appear here, thank you for showing your interest in, and here I want that the company name should appear, one of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer. For more details you can visit our website. Okay, so firstly I will copy the template code from this particular URL, and then I will paste this code here into Pabbly Connect dashboard. Okay, so here you can notice this template code name option, which is a required field. Let me paste the same. So basically we are telling the system that it should send the messages using this particular WhatsApp template. Okay, and now it is asking for the country code, the phone number and the full phone number. Now you must be thinking why it is asking the phone number at two different places. Okay, so it depends on the phone number you have. Okay, so if you have the phone number along with the country code, in that case you will have to provide the number in this particular field. Okay, but you only have a number, you do not have the country code, in that case kindly provide the number in this field, and then you can separately provide the country code. Okay, so let me check what kind of number currently I have. Okay, so remember we have already captured the form submitter data, and yes, I do have a phone number along with the country entry codes. So I am going to add this number only, and the interesting thing here is I am not going to manually copy this data one by one and paste it here. Basically I'm going to map these details, okay, and mapping is very simple. When you will click on any field, you will find the above data here in the drop down. Simply select that data and this is how the values will be mapped, okay. And in the same way I will map rest of the details, and let me tell you, this is just a dummy number, but don't worry, when I will send the final WhatsApp message, when I will click on this button, before that I will change this number with my genuine WhatsApp number so that I can show you how messages can be arrived on your WhatsApp number, okay. So I have provided the full phone number, the template code name. Now it is asking for the language code, okay. So for English it is going to be EN, okay, I'm sorry, for English it is going to be EN, and for English US it is going to be EN and US, and further you can check the list of all the language codes, okay. So let me add EN here. Now it is asking for the header value, okay. So here I will add the link of my PDF file. Basically I have already created a traveling brochure, so I will directly paste the link of that brochure, okay. So this is my link, let me show you. And before I paste this URL here, let me first show you this particular URL. Let me first show you this particular PDF file, or you can say a traveling brochure, okay. So I want that this particular brochure should be sent automatically to all my form submitter who is actually making an inquiry, okay. So that is why I am going to add the link of this brochure here, okay, asking for the body variable values, okay. So the most interesting part, because from here we will provide the values to our variable. You just need to provide the values separated by comma one by one, okay. So firstly I will take you to the dashboard of Interakt, and here we will count how many variables we have. So we only have 3 variables, and in place of first variable I want that the name of the customer, name of the form submitter should appear automatically, okay. So I will click on this field and will map the name of the form submitter, okay. So I have provided the value to the first variable. Let me add a comma, and now I will provide the value to my second variable, which is the company name, okay. Thank you for showing your interest in Dash, okay. So company name is something which will not change, which will remain same for every form submitter, okay. So how about I add this particular data manually, okay. So ABC Tour and Traveling Agency, ABC Tour and Traveling Agency, okay. So I have provided this value manually, okay. And let me tell you, whatever the details we will map here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time, and whatever the details we have provided here manually, those details will remain same for every form submission, okay. So this is the difference in providing the values via mapping and in providing the values manually, okay. And that is why mapping plays a major role inside this automation, and this is how this automation will take place. Let me also provide the value to my third variable, which is going to be the website link. So how about I add some random website link, something like this, www.travel.com, okay. So I have added the same. Let me also change the spelling, something like this, okay. So I think I have provided all the data in these fields. Now it is asking for the position of CTA button and value of variable in dynamic URL. So remember, I have not included any button and any dynamic URL, so I will leave these 2 fields blank, okay. And now I will click on this button, but before that let me delete this existing message so that I can show you how messages will be received on my WhatsApp number. And here I will also have to replace this dummy number with my genuine WhatsApp number, okay. So firstly I will add the code, and then further I will add my phone number here for a second. So I have added my WhatsApp number, clicking on this button save and send test request, and firstly waiting for the response to receive. Here you can notice the response is received, going back to my WhatsApp web, and here you can notice the message is already arrived, okay. So let me read the message, and yes, it is the same message template, that is, hello demo user, thank you for showing your interest in ABC Tour and Traveling Agency. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have have attached with this message where you can find all the services we offer. For more details, you can visit our website. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards. Okay, so did you notice that how the automatic WhatsApp message has been sent on the form submitter number, basically on my number? Okay, but when this automation will work in real time, what will happen? These messages will be sent to every form submitter automatically. Okay, so in this way you can automate the process of sending the WhatsApp messages to the contact form 7 form submitter automatically. Okay, and for that you need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect for once. After that you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. And let me even show you this document, and I will firstly download. Okay, basically it is a downloadable link, and here is our document. And yes, you will notice that this is the same PDF brochure. Okay, so I was telling you that just in case if you want to access this two-step automation inside your own Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my workflow into the description box. So you just need to click on this link and then sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.